So in this lesson, we're going to continue to build this AI project and actually get our player to start moving on its own. So we've reconfigured the nav mesh so that our player is included and we can no longer walk on the walls. So you're going to go to your player and you're going to put this script on it. Player move. So remember, we got to have the AI inside there, and we're doing a serialized field so that it can still be used, but not public, so we can't change it. And we're going to follow a position we create and put inside our game. So notice we've got a void start and void update. And let's make sure that's what I'm using, player move, yeah. That is it. So you're going to put that on the player. Well, first thing you're going to do is you're going to create an empty game object. Create empty. And I named mine target up here. So create empty, name it target, and then make sure you zero these things out. I reset them. And then wherever you move that target, so I'm going to move it back here. And let's move it over here. And then when we go to our player, we're going to put that script on. And make sure you have all these set right. And then we're going to drag the target in. We're going to drag the target in. And wherever we put that target, now the player is going to go to it on its own. I'm not hitting the keyboard. So my player is going to go and figure out exactly where that thing goes and find the fastest method to get there. We're not using the new player input system. We'll be going back to that again. We do want to start using that, but this is just a continuation. So now we're actually using actual artificial intelligence. The player is moving on its own, and on its own, it's configuring the best method to get there. So add that to your game, and then I'm going to have an assignment up there, so you would just submit itch.io to it. Unless you can't play it, then let me know.